Yo, what up? I got another unboxing for you. Cyber Pegasus, Cell Pegasus, and Galaxy Pegasus. String launcher, yeah. I'm not doing a giveaway though. But sorry about the background. It's my mom. But yeah, I'm going to unbox it. I need to go get a knife. I got a knife. See? Stop a hole in it. Maybe I should do it from the side. Stupid packaging. Sucks so bad.
Hello, you have reached Darren and Carla at Village.
Oh my God.
We're able to take your call at this time, but your call is very important to us. So please leave your name and number and a brief message, and we will call you back as soon as possible. If this is an emergency, please call our pager number at 835-1670. Thank you and have a good day.
Stupid camera. Can't even freaking make videos with it. Yeah, I got it open. All the stickers and all that. Not putting them on right now. Not right this minute. But maybe after. This is it. Not a code up, that's a good thing. Well, power just went out of something. Get launcher. Red. Yep. Then it costs the codes. I just have to go take one out of the package and then the card just slipped down and hit me. You got that card. Legend Cyber Pegasus. Well, and some Pegasus. It came with one tool. Like $25 for this at Zellow's server. Now onto the base. This is Cyber. Legend Cyber. That's Cyber. This is Galaxy. Legend tip. Wait. Yeah, that's a legend tip. See-through tip and see-through energy ring. And now Stun Pegasus. And yeah, I'll show you Cyber Whip. So I never had Cyber before, but I had the other two. I have a Cyber Pegasus like right now, besides that one, but the only thing is that I got it because it had Cyber and Stun Pegasus, which I don't have right now. I used to. Oh my god. Hold on. I'll get my steering wheel to do this. Oh my god, I can't do this. I never had a steering launcher, so it's really hard. I didn't whip hard though. Yeah, yeah, whipping on the ground really hard. Well, I'll try. Ow! Never mind. I'm just going to end the video off now. Ow! It just spun on my fingers. Bye.